I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering stems and the original track so you can dissect what makes the song tick. Import vocals, drums, bass, and keys into your DAW. Set the project tempo to the determined BPM and align the grid to beats. Once done, trim excess silence and normalize peaks to around -6 dB so you have headroom. Make sure to keep the original track in a reference channel. It guides arrangement choices and preserves key elements as you begin chopping and rearranging. Now you reshape the song. Chop vocals, create new hooks from short phrases, and build fresh loops. Add a new drum kit and program a rhythm that complements the original groove. Use groove quantize or swing to humanize timing. Once the arrangement feels cohesive, layer bass and harmonic elements, then use FX, reverb, delay, pitch shift, and transient shaping to sculpt textures. Make sure to sidechain bass to kick for clarity, and automate filter and volume moves to maintain interest across sections. Finish by mixing. Set clear levels, subtractive EQ to prevent frequency masking, and gentle compression to glue parts without squashing dynamics. Once balance is solid, work on stereo placement, widen pads and FX while keeping kick, bass, and lead vocal centered, and add subtle automation for energy. For mastering, apply light limiting and a final EQ tilt, aiming for loudness but preserving transience. Export both a mastered stereo WAV and individual stems. Troubleshooting tip: if the remix sounds muddy, solo mid-frequencies and cut narrow bands, then reassess balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.